Hi, I'm Josh, and I'm still on Werner ladder. I can't do it. I can hear you. Hi, I'm Josh. This is Werner ladder. Werner ladders are dead good because they're built solid construction. They even have, come in. They even have, get up it. They even have a little magnetic bit for all your drill bits. So when you're setting awesome routes like I do on a daily basis, is that they don't actually fall off into the abyss down the back of the mat and you lose them forever and people shout at you.
Josh.
I know, I don't set anymore.
When was the last time you set anything?
About 8 months ago.
God, vague intro, new set.
I did it.
Try to go in. Whoa, I'm going over there. Whoop. Oh, matching for a week.
That's why he's not weak.
Hardest VB. Well, it's hardest VB for anybody that starts like short than 5'8". We is rolling. Oh. Oh. All the way up. Where's this start?
The white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. I am the great collector. I tally, catalogue and hold to the lines. Forgotten scenes of love. Some of them were mine, all mine. I pick the broken dreams that hang in city centre trees. All the love made urgently that gathers in the gutters of your mind.
Lost me. I lost myself. Then I went to Tibet. I took a gap year.
I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise of life.
But if I hadn't had a ruined shoulder, I would be out climbing Finn.
Yeah.
Shame I'm injured 24/7, 365, so I'll never climb V14 again.
There's only 2 whites. Okay.
I was born with a trust that didn't survive the white noise of lies. Oh, the white heat of injustice has taken my eyes. I just wanna get high. I tried to save the world, silly boy by sullen girl with love as a giver. Driven by my certainty that they'd never beat it out of me. What? Who am I? Some bloody
Go ahead.
with a lullaby when
If you like
I'm
climbing,
gonna plunge like an absolute goober.
I believe I'm giving it.
I'm a goofy goober!
gone.
What?
Dropping teabag.
Where do we sit in this pink?
I fucking
Like,
hate
it's
it.
not on the board. I
Five.
think, like, after yellows,
Well, the only problem is, it's actually really easy, apart from that first move.
Maybe after the yellows.
Yeah? Okay.
Yellow, pink, yellow.
Yeah. I mean, there's something to go in here first. Oh.
Well, which yellow?
Bang. 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 Bah. I've actually got to read these now. Dush, dush, dush. Sa. We're already through, like, the majority.
Has he even done the fucking limes yet?
What?
Oh, he's doing the limes now. Oh, mate,
What? This...
I'm a big fan of this climb. Bumping for the weight and the London.
Oh. Oh, it's like blocked by the wall. Oh.
Well, hey, well done.
Oh.
Finn,
Aim for that sponsorship, even if you...
in case you hadn't noticed,
Oh.
Finn likes Evolv, and
Oh my god, this girl.
please sponsor
Fuck
Finn.
me.
Finn, if you don't flash this, I'm going to be disappointed in you.
I remember when these holes were new and they had texture. Ooh, don't dab. That green is. Ooh, careful of the toes.
Watch your toes, the only fans will be coming.
And we will move just like we're in a movie. We will speak so warm and smoothly. We are like the people we came from. We are dancing and advancing to the light. Play right, play right.
It's a shout.
What? 10% extra power. That hole was worse than I thought. Oh. Oh, that heel is too secure. Oh, I'm actually trying. Fuck.
We had crotch cam on go.
Oh, God.
I've barely done like the V3s.
It's because you're a punter.
Oh yeah.
Hey, great minds think alike. Or fools never differ.
In the song of the day.
Somebody give me some chalk. I vacuumed up here.
Look at ping, look at ping. I'm fueled on beef and horseradish crisps. Oh, okay, this is...
Textureless.
Does anybody have a brush up? Oh, there's the...
You ran away too quick.
Probably.
Yeah.
Oh, now it's got texture. Yeah, buddy. I did not dab on the floor, I swear.
Two tabs on your tongue.
Ooh.
I heard the shepherds, I heard the sheep sleep. Now my only one. Broken sweethearts.
Oh, he
who sleep
dropped
apart.
it.
Flash is
How
gone.
do you feel about that? The punter camera's here. How do you feel about that?
Sad spots.
Right, heard it, boys. Over and out.
Rose to pose. Now shush. She makes a sound she makes to calm me down.
This man uses heels like nobody's business.
It's because they're all solid.
I am see-through.
Good. I want solid heels. You don't want wet heels. Wet heels suck.
We are so thin.
That's a
Yeah,
good bit.
As I
Oh,
begin rubbing others
I knew it
up,
was
your
somewhere.
lessons on my skin. And go.
No, I should have done that first time.
Yeah? Probably punted it.
I wasn't warm. Oh my God, why does everything in here start as just like double underclaim? Bang, bang. Heel on. Roll. Josh, I'm wholly gonna dab on you here.
Now sure.
Everybody heard you hit the carpet.
She makes the sound she makes to calm me down. She makes the sound she makes. I'm tired.
I'm also trying really fucking hard. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah. Slap that.
Where the fuck am I going?
To the right, the far right. Oh!
Oh, that was harder than I thought. Oh, I've become a punter in my old age.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, what the fuck?
Go on, Finn. Go on, Finn.
Bump the left hand again.
Oh, yeah, boy.
Oh,
Mate, that was good.
my foot
shit.
went. Oh, dude.
Here, did you bring your feet across and then fall in?
Yeah.
And bring them back to bob back out.
So I got my. Oh,
Yeah, I got you.
we've got it on film.
Yeah, we do.
Oh, we can just look at
Just
it.
double check, yeah.
We can just look at it.
And then you just skipped the middle one and just went all the way.
Well, yeah, because what if I'm like, why would I use the middle one? Because it's the most ridiculous bump once I've already got this in. Then the in is like really weighty, I think.
It is really weighty, to be honest.
I think if you
Well, it's all
get
left
in
one,
early,
fucking nothing.
you can sink back on that then. So it's like harder in here. It's a bit more weird and tight.
I think you're right. Maybe I should just bring my right foot over to the flag, come in, move the feet back across, bump, and then just do the rest of it.
Oh my God. My throat hurts from trying and screaming.
Well, man, I thought
I power sounded my way through that. Dude,
Bolt
power sounding and like just tops off. I want my sports bra.
Sparks in the sky until we meet the sunrise.
Oh, what the
Come into bloom. And nothing that was broken.
Man tried to be long.
What the fuck? And you're gonna go so out of grip.
Oh, he's fucking off.
I hate how you said this was good.
I'll do it in my shoes. Here, take
No.
I would have proved you wrong.
If we'd have been together, we'd be breaking up. I said it 1%.
So much better. The
Punter.
what? It's so much better. Yeah, get fucked.
What? That mad shit about everything.
Dude, I chat shit about so much.
The only thing we don't chat shit about is those awesome Evolv zones. How they fit. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's it.
Fuck you.
Mate, go on. Alley. Oh, yeah, Finn, go on. Oh, fuck yeah, Finn, that was sick. I'm so glad I didn't have a camera because that was fucking sick.
What do you mean,
Yeah, bro, go on, get it. Get a tiger.
Where are my feet going? What the fuck? I can't see.
That's it, you're on.
Ow! I just clattered my shin.
Like a campus for that start
What is
move.
this? And then like nothing.
I literally just chuck for that crimp because I know it's good. Sometimes these swans have some fucking instinct.
So I'm here,
For fuck's sake.
and there's pinks like in my belly. Ah!
I'm only
The
weak.
toe hook's the one.
I tried it with a heel and I couldn't do it because I'm not flexy. I'd never
Toe
actually
hook.
thought about
Ha
doing a toe.
ha. Zenith plug. Close in.
Well, how did you do that, Finn?
That is
No, Finn was shooting an ad.
toe hook crimp.
Always the bottom of the ground. Hang on. Wait there, little bitch. It's over, Finn! I have the high ground.
I hate you.
It's okay. Say what you want to say. And not be
Yeah, man. You got it. Keep that tension. That's it. Nicely done. Keep moving and grooving. That's it. That's it. You've done the hard bit.
Yeah, Finn, come on, come on. Come on.
Yeah, go on, Finn. Oh no! Oh, he fucked it! He dropped the flash! What a punter!
Last fucking move. That's not even last move. That's just gonna match to the top.